A memorable vacation. Last year, Amy Garcia Hernandez and Ruby Esmeralda Vidal Santiago went on a unforgettable vacation. They decided to visit a beautiful beach town. They packed their bags a week before. Amy made a checklist, but Ruby forgot her sunglasses and a hat. They took a bus and listened to music. The trip wasn't boring, it was fun. Did they sleep? No, they didn't. They arrived, the sky was clear. They walked around the town and visited the market. They swam in the ocean and hiked to a waterfall. Amy took pictures. Ruby collected colors stones. At night they could and listened to waves. They didn't use their phones. Did they miss home? Not at all. They met tourists and played games. Amy spoke English. Ruby didn't feel confident, but she tried, and that was brave. On the last day, they watched the sunrise. Did they cry? Maybe. They said it was one of the best trips of their lives, and now they dream of the next adventure.